Hey, I believe I am live now. This is the first Funnel Builder Wednesdays live stream. You can find out more at crazymarketing.com/FBW for Funnel Builder Wednesdays. And today I'm going to be building a simple two-step funnel that I've used to help boost products on Amazon, to boost them up in the search results. So it's a pretty simple funnel, and yeah, I'm going to be building that live for you today. If anybody hops in, please feel free to ask any questions, and I'm just going to hop into it like somebody's here watching. So first things first, it's a simple two-step funnel. Let me go ahead and kind of diagram it. So on page 1 here, we tell them about the offer. So we'll be like, get 50% off. And then they opt in for a coupon, and then they're taken to a thank you page TY thank you page, where we give them the coupon and then tell them how to go about acquiring the product that we're trying to sell. So that's the gist of the funnel, real simple, and that's what I'm going to build. So funnels, build a funnel. I'm going to go with classic funnel builder here, and I'm going to create a custom funnel. Call this FBW. I call this thing Amazon Ranking Booster Funnel. And real quick, I have a blog post coming out for this funnel as well, which is why I'm building this funnel. So that the blog post will contain all the strategy and everything behind the funnel. Okay, where's my funnel? ClickFunnels. So I don't know where my funnel went. All right, let's just try this. Collect emails. FBW Amazon Ranking Booster Funnel. FBW. Build funnel. Alright, there we go. And I'm actually going to start with a blank template. And I'm just going to hop right into it. So I'm going to pretend like I'm selling the Amazon Echo Dot. So that way you can see like basically how it works out. And let me wipe this out. So first things first, I'm going to add a section here. And this will be my logo section. Image. See if I can find my logo. There we go. Crazy marketing. Alright, let's move this on up. Now, since I made this a section, you could go ahead and change the background if you want to make it stand out a little bit. But I'm actually just going to leave it crystal clear. Bump it all the way up a little more. Let's see. Let's put a bottom only border. That looks nice. Make it faint. Make it real thin. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so we got one section with our logo. Let me do another section now. And this one I'm going to go ahead and add a row and a headline element. And say Amazon Echo Dot. Make it huge. And now you can always play around with the copy and everything. I'm just trying to get something in place currently. Check out our typography real quick. What do we want? Content font. Kind of weird. Oh well. Because this should be a headline, right? I think so. But anyway, it's showing the other thing. Yeah, that looks cool. Alright. Move you up. Amazon Echo Dot. Get yours for 50% off. So the big idea, as I explained in the blog post for this funnel, is that you're going to offer a massive discount, and they're going to have to do a little bit of work basically to claim the product, which you'll see in just a second here. Where did Open Sans go? All right. I'm going to actually add another row. Do a 2-column row. What is this thing called? Funnel Builder FBW. Amazon ranking booster funnel. Yeah. Crazy eye marketing. Cool. Cool. Okay, now I can save. Add an element here. I'm gonna add an image. And I'm going to wind up adding a few bullets over here on the right hand column. There we go. Let's go grab our image. Let me see what is the optimum width. Optimal width. 525. Let me see. Somebody just delivered a package at my door. It's nice. Funnel Builder Wednesdays. Amazon ranking booster funnel. Echo dot. Yeah, looks like I got somebody watching. If somebody's out there, feel free to leave a message or something like that. I am watching the chat room. Oh, they left. Dang. So close. So close to communicating with the outside world. Oh, somebody else is viewing. Hey, if you're out there, if you want to leave a message or something in this chat, I would not be mad. Alright. Now, just for the sake of this example, I'm just going to grab their bullets real quick. Now, yeah, there we go. Alright, got some bullets. Now, I wouldn't keep these bullets this long in real life. No one's going to sit here and read this to opt in, probably. But for the sake of an example, we're going to roll with them. Let me delete a couple out of here so it looks a little more even. Actually, size this so we have it nice and tight. Alright, there we go. That's looking good. Boom. Alright, now let's go ahead and add another row in here. One column row. Add another element. We're going to add some text. So I'm going to add a headline element. Move it up a little bit. Actually, want to make this. Let's make you bold and underline. Wondering what would look cooler. Get yours 50% off. Yeah. A little bit bigger, smaller, I mean. 24 looks good. Alright, so need some copy here. So why am I giving people this 50% off discount? So what's the catch? There isn't one. We want you to experience the power of the Amazon Echo Dot. We simply want you to stop. We know that once you try it, you'll love it, but we are only offering this huge discount for a limited time. So how do you get it? You will request a coupon code by clicking the button, by clicking one of the buttons below, where you'll apply it when you check out via Amazon. By the way, if you're a Prime member, shipping is free to you. Follow the instructions below to redeem. Cool. So I got a little copy in there. Alright, now we got to give them the instructions to redeem their coupon code and their product. So I'm going to add a new row. This will be a 2-column row. And let me save. Let's go ahead and resize this up a little bit. Gonna make a picture for this column, and then I'm gonna add text in here. So let's move you down here. All right. Save. Preview. All right. Let's see. So width is 140-ish pixels. File new. 140 by 140. Delete this background out of here. My crazy hour market in orange. And now I'm going to make a number, well, a circle, and then a number in the circle. One. Let's italicize you. Boom. That looks cool. Cool. A good circle number right there. Make it bigger. Step 1. Set centered. Oh, that looks like crap. Okay. Eyeballing it's doing a better job. Okay. Think that's pretty close. Numbers. I'll keep the PSD file should you want that with the funnel. Orange 1. We're going to wind up having 3 steps, so make the other numbers real quick while we're here. Orange 2. Orange 3. Alright, so we got some numbers. Let's go ahead and add in number 1. So there's 1. Now, what do we say here? Alright, so the first thing you need to do is unlock your coupon code, then write it down. Or write it down. After that, you can go to our listing on Amazon and enter the coupon code at checkout to get your Amazon Echo Dot for 50% off. Whoa, that's a good deal, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. I'd buy an Echo Dot for 50% off. Alright, now we're going to add a button. Oh, I thought I heard Facebook make a noise. Thought somebody was engaging with me. That's exciting. Alright, we'll add a button. And this button's going to wind up opening the pop-up window. So somebody could enter their contact information so we can send them the coupon. Click here to unlock your coupon code. Let's make you bigger. Let's make you full width. Let's add an icon. Gotta make a little arrow. Boom. Let's do a shadow, box shadow, I think so, hard shadow, boom. And we want this to open the pop-up window, open the pop-up. Cool. Oops. Let's change the padding over here on this one, bring it up a little bit. That's step 1. Now we go to step 2. Swap out this image. Alright, so step 2 is go to Amazon.com and search for the word Echo Dot. So right here is where you put in whatever keyword you're trying to rank better for. Obviously the Echo Dot's going to rank like everywhere because it's an Amazon product, but if you're trying to rank your book or your supplement or something like that, you would put in whatever keyword you're trying to go up in the listings for. And again, in the blog article I explain the strategy behind this funnel, so I definitely recommend checking that out. When you find our product, click on it. It may take you a few pages, so be patient. Patient. Last seen. You can add this if it makes sense, like if it's kind of far back. Last seen on page 4, for example. So that way people know that they might have to scroll through a few pages to find your product. Here is what it looks like. Let's make you italicized. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a screenshot of what our listing looks like here. Going to kind of shrink it down a little bit. Alright, take a screenshot. Now put it in the Photoshop here and crop it up. Obviously, if you don't have Photoshop, use whatever photo editing tool you have. Echo dot listing. Cool. Okay. Let's close some of these pages. and add our listing image. Alright, cool. Alright, now we need to go ahead and make bullet number 3. Swap out these numbers real quick. And then we'll say at checkout, simply apply the coupon code. You'll know you did it correctly when it looks like this. Did it correctly when it looks like this. So let's go back to Amazon, and we'd go ahead and add the product to our cart, and we'll continue. Proceed to checkout. Okay, skip this. We got something in my cart. Let's delete this out of here. Okay, so what you would want to do here is you would enter the coupon code that you've gone ahead and made, and then take a screenshot of like basically this box with the coupon code applied, so people will know that when they apply the coupon they're going to get 50% off. So the order total should be what, like $18, $19, something like that. 18, I don't know. So anyway, that way they see that this is what the screen will look like when the coupon's applied. So let me go ahead and take that screenshot. We'll crop it. So it's $37.92 divided by 2. Actually, I guess it'd be $29.99 divided by 2. 29.99. Well, 37.92 divided by 2. We'll keep it simple. $18.96. So we'll say that this says 18.96. So that they can see they're getting a good deal. Cool. And blur this stuff out. All right. Echo dot coupon applied. Very cool, right? Let's go back into our funnel here and add our image. Alright, so now they'll know what the product looks like when they apply the coupon. Now let's add another row. Add row, one column, drop it on in here. Clone our button again. Drag it on down. Smooth it up by changing the padding. Let's add some language here for a sense of urgency. I'll just copy and paste it. Bold you up. Bold you up. Is that a word? Phrase? Bold you up. Go ahead and move you here. Boom. And now I want to go ahead and add in another section. And let's see. Top only. Add some spacing. And throw some language in here. Offer expires in. I'm going to add a little countdown. Minute timer. We'll go with 11 minutes. And on expiration, I'm going to hide elements. And I'm going to actually hide the countdown section. So basically, after this timer finishes counting down, it's just going to hide the countdown timer. Revisit action, I'm going to go ahead and auto expire for, we'll just go with, I don't know, 3 days. Let's move you up. Let's do a different theme. Let's see what we got. Kind of cool. Offer expires in, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so there's our page. Let's preview it real quick. Looking good. Alright, we need to go ahead and set up our pop-up. So edit settings. I'm going to show when user tries to exit. And all this stuff looks good for right now. Let's go ahead and put this together. Where should we send the coupon code? Actually, let's change this padding just a tad. 10, 10, 10. Looks good. Now, where's our text areas? Text input. This will be full name, your name, required, make you 18. See what looks cool. We always go for cool. There, that looks cool. Let's add an icon because icons are cool. Name. Okay, now let's do email. Your email. Email. Required. Let's make this icon be an email icon. Oh yeah, that is cool. Alright, I think that this box is too wide for my liking. So modal width, I'm going to go with small. Should we go big? Should we send the coupon code? Yeah, sure, that looks good. Now we need a button to submit the form. Send me the coupon code. Cool. Orange. Go ahead and make it full width, and we'll add some hard shadow, and we'll add a little arrow. Gotta have the arrows. Let's see, let's make the font a bit bigger. Send me the coupon code. Set the action to submit the page. Cool. Let's edit the padding around the row so it's not so ridiculous. Cool, man. That looks awesome. Alright, so here's our page. Let me preview it, see if the pop-up pops up. Yeah, cool. Oh, and if I move the cursor off the screen, it also pops up. Now I'll also frequently connect this to the pop-up as well. So that way if they click like anything, it's going to pop the pop-up up. So let me link these up just for the sake of example. Save. Alright, now let's go ahead and see how this looks on mobile, because it might look a little funky. Amazon Echo Dot, so that looks cool. Let's resize our subheadline. Make you 46. That looks good. There's our picture. Here's our bullets. Here's our language. Gonna make you about 18. That looks good. 18. Button size. Mobile size. We'll go with 20. Look like that looks good. 18. $18. Yep. I think I said 20, right? Let's hope so. 20. Now our page is mobile optimized, so when the mobile phones are looking at our page, it doesn't look horrendous. Let me preview it one more time. So boop-a-doo. Click this image, pops it up. Sweet. And you see that the countdown timer must have finished counting down and it hid that section from me. Alright, so I am content with that page. Now we need to go ahead and set up our thank you page. And to do that, I'm actually just going to clone this funnel step and add it to the funnel. Drag it up here. I'll delete this thank you page. Let me call it success. Success. Update funnel step. And we're going to go ahead and edit this page real quick. So Amazon Echo Dot coupon. Your coupon code for 50% off is, I don't know. Oops. Whatever coupon code your coupon code is. that you created in like Amazon Seller Central. Actually, let's do all right. Sweet. Now we gonna give them the instructions again. Let's delete this out of here. Delete this out of here. So these are actually switched because they don't need to collect their coupon code anymore. Actually, cancel in year 2 now. No 3. Delete that one. Let's move you up a little bit. Alright, so go to Amazon.com, and now I'm going to include a link. I would include like an affiliate link with your tracking tag on it, so that way you can track how well this page is performing for you. And in the blog post I talk about tracking, so please check that out. But you'll want to link it to just Amazon.com or www.amazon.com, their home page, basically, because what you want them to do is search for Echo Dot. So you don't want a direct link to your product, because you want them to search for your keyword, find your product, and buy your product. And then of course that's a signal to the Amazon algorithm that when people search for your keyword and find your product, they buy your product, and that way your product gets boosted in the search results. So that's how that all works. Let's go ahead and underline you. Alright, I would make these images, instead of opening the pop-up, they need to go to your Amazon.com affiliate link that has the tracking, Amazon.com. And I'll pop you in a new tab. New tab. New tab. And actually do click here to go to Amazon.com. Set action, go to website URL, and new tab. And looks like I stopped streaming live. Hold on, let me refresh this. Looks like I stopped streaming live. Oh, no I didn't. Okay, hold on, let me refresh this. Now you're gonna hear a nice echo. Okay. Alright, back at it. Alright, so I'm going to copy or clone that button, drag it down here as well, give them another chance to go to Amazon.com. Don't need that footer anymore with the countdown. And let me think. At checkout, simply apply the coupon code. We'll go ahead and reiterate the coupon code. You'll know you did it when you have the discount applied. So cool. Let's check out what it looks like in... Actually, let me turn off this pop-up first. So don't show when user tries to exit. And let's check it on mobile. Amazon Echo Dot. Your coupon code is... Shrink you down. 36. Nope. 32. Cool. Now make this bigger. 56. 60. That looks good. And then instructions, button, instructions, button, and make this a tad bigger. $24. All right, sweet. So now we have our funnel set up. Somebody will come to our page, opt in for the coupon code, and then they'll get the coupon code, and then they'll have to go to Amazon.com, search for our keyword, find our product, buy our product with the coupon code, and when they do all that type of stuff, that'll be a signal to Amazon's algorithm that people want our product, and that will hopefully start boosting us in the search rankings, which will hopefully increase organic sales, which will hopefully boost us more in the organic or in the search rankings, which will hopefully boost more organic sales, and so on. Now I'm just going to do a little bonus here. So for an automation, we could go ahead and add a new email here, and I'll just say crazy high marketing. Here's your coupon code for Echo dot. Condition everyone, and I'm just gonna pick got all these templates. I don't know why they're not loading, but anyway, I'll use this template and create email. Okay. Let's open an editor. So now we can also just send our coupon code to our people. So they'll get it on the thank you page, but then they'll also get it. I delete this. Alright, let's delete all this stuff and start from scratch. Alright, cool. So we're just going to keep it really simple. Padding, 5 padding, margin top, border, solid, yeah, okay, fine. Headline, text. Alright. I think it's name. What do we got? ClickFunnels merge tags. Hey, that's my post. There we go. Name, full name first. That's what we actually want. Hi, first. Thank you for requesting 50% off the Amazon Echo dot. Your coupon code is what is your coupon code? Whatever the coupon code is. Please go to Amazon.com, search for Echo dot. Echo dot, and check out with coupon code. something like that. Body font, make you size 16. Arial black, no, that's too big. I don't know why they make it gray and white, it's hard to read. Anyways, done editing. Thanks, Crazy Eye Marketing. First, thank you for requesting 50% off the Amazon Echo Dot. Your coupon code is blah. Please go to Amazon.com, search for Echo Dot. Find our product, and with, and check out with your coupon code. Thanks. Enjoy. So yeah, you'll probably want to do a little bit better copy there, but I think you get the gist. Let's bulletize this. 16, done. And okay, good enough for today. So save that email, close it on out, and you can change all these conditions here when it goes out, etc. if you want to. And that's our funnel. So I'm going to have the shared version of this funnel. I'm going to go through it again real quick, make sure it does function properly and everything. And I'll have the shared version available shortly thereafter at crazyeyemarketing.com/FBW for Funnel Builder Wednesdays. I thank anyone who showed up at all. Oh, hey James, somebody did show up. So sweet. He said, is it a generic coupon or autogen? So it is a generic coupon. So everybody will use that same coupon. I've tried several different auto coupon generator tools, and nothing seemed to really work as well as hoped, and it just seems to be easier just to get the one coupon code out there and operating as opposed to screwing around with a bunch of different unique coupon codes. Now I know there's value in getting those unique coupon codes because you can track who requested what and if they actually took action on it. So I do see the value in it, but yeah, for doing this, I've pretty much only ever used the generic coupon codes. And we got another question. So when you build out various funnels, are you assigning a new domain or using a CF subdomain? So I'm assigning a new domain, or basically, so you could do, okay, so I got secured.crazyeyemarketing.com. So that's my funnel domain right there, my funnel subdomain. So I could have many different funnels on this subdomain. So I have webinar, or I could have vault, or I could have any other thing. So you could have multiple funnels on the same domain or the same subdomain. So that's how I typically do it. I'll have the one business domain and then a bunch of different funnels, and they'll just have a different page paths. So hopefully that answers your question there, James. I'll hang out here for another couple minutes in case any other questions pop up. Since I got somebody in the room, this is exciting. So thanks for asking some questions, James. I really do appreciate it. As much as I like talking to myself, I'm sure I sound like a fool. Let me test this out actually. Alright, so stuff seems to be working, so that is a good sign. Alright, good. Yep, I'll have the shared funnel available at crazymarketing.com/FBW. I appreciate anybody that stopped by for any length of time, and James, I appreciate you stopping by and asking a few questions. So thank you, and have a fantastic Wednesday. Now I need to figure out how to shut this thing off.